Hi everyone, today we will learn 10 phrasal verbs that you hear everywhere. Let's go. First is go on. It means to continue. Example, please go on with your story. Second, pick up. It means to take something or someone. Example, I will pick you up at 7 p.m. Third is look after. We wish to take care of. Example, can you look after my dad while I am away? So, fourth is turn off. We wish to stop something. Don't forget to turn off the lights. Five. Five is get along. We wish to have a good relationships. Example, I get away with my coworkers. Back away. It means move backwards in fear or dislike. Example, when he saw the dog, he backed away. Call back. Mean is return a phone call. I will call you back as soon as possible. Die down. Meaning is calm down and become less strong. Example, when the applause died down, she started to sing. Find out. Meaning is discover or obtain information. Example, I am going to go to the cinema to find out what time the film starts. Act up. It means behave badly or strangely. Example, my computer is acting up. I think I might have a virus.